So here in Brazil, it's really nice to wake up early in the morning. Everything starts very early. So then it's nice to walk down to the beach, check if there's waves. I don't know if I should go here or up at the peak. Look, now it's good. I wish I was a much better surfer though, because I'm not at all, but I really enjoy just being in the water and floating around. Catching a wave, the feeling of being pushed by the ocean like that is, yeah, I guess it's indescribable.
Look outside, painted skies, here comes the light. It's in your eyes, and it pulls the ocean tides. Feel cold under.
Yeah, I wish I could surf better. I think if I was born anywhere else with more waves, I would have been a surfer. But I really like swimming also. So with surfing in general, if I don't catch any waves, I really enjoy floating in the water also with the board. I really like that. Today, so the last few days has been amazing with waves. It's been really fun, and today should be the same. So I think it's gonna be windier and there's gonna be some ramps. Classic jetty sailing day. I'm here in Brazil right now to prepare for the upcoming event in France. It's gonna be the first time I'll have to compete in all 3 disciplines at one event, so that definitely puts the pressure on. For the first session of the day, and it's windier than the past few days, so I'm gonna grab my coral. It's been a blast sailing, so I'm really looking forward to get on the water again. I am current freestyle and wave world champion, and I am leading the slalom rankings as well. So my goal is to perform as best as I can. That's cool. The best place I could think of to train was Brazil. This time of year it's windy every single day, so it's perfect to practice new moves. I've been freestyling for all of my life. It's still my favorite discipline. I just get so much joy from being on the water and practicing tricks. It's such an adrenaline rush to fly through the air and slide across the water. And my goal has always been to raise the bar. And so far, during this trip, I landed a new move every single day.
It can't get better than this.
It's just such an amazing feeling to land a new move. I haven't felt that in a long time, so I'm stoked about how things are going right now. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see how far I can progress.